Hey everyone, so today I'm back with some Happy Mail to share and open up with you guys. So this sweet package came from Bonnie from Bolderbon. That's actually her shop name on Etsy. And if you haven't seen or visited her site yet, you guys should definitely check it out if you're into planner stickers. She offers a variety of fun and colorful stickers for a bunch of planners. I believe she has them for Erin Condren, happy planners, even bullet journals, and recently she launched some for Hobonichi weeks. So she has a bunch of kits and also planner accessories too. So definitely check it out. I will link all of her information for you guys. But she's so sweet. She wanted to send some stickers or sticker kits over to me. She knows that I was using a Hobonichi weeks, which unfortunately I'm no longer using, but I'm pretty sure I could use some of these stickers that she sent over in what I'm currently using, which is a pocket bullet journal. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here and show you guys what she sent. I have no idea what she sent over, so we'll take a look. And it's so sweet. So thank you so much, Bonnie, for sending these to me. I'm super excited to see what you sent over. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch in here. Oh my gosh, how cute. I already see her little logo. Okay, let's put that to this side. And I see a note. I'm gonna read this to this side really quick. Oh, that is so sweet. Okay, so thank you so much, Bonnie. But she's so sweet. She actually has a coupon code for you guys, which I'll link and pop up on the screen here and put in the description box. But she's offering 15% off for you guys. So that is super awesome. So thank you so much for that. All right, let's go ahead and get into the fun stickers. So cute. So here's the first one, and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see up close what they look like, but super cute. I believe these are like her little icons, but they're called sweet cakes. So adorable. They have like cute little face expressions. This one, oh, it's right here. It says sweet cakes emojis. Next we have some tabs. So like I mentioned, she offers Hobonichi Weeks sticker kits as well. So this is one of the designs that she came up with, which is super pretty. I love like the colors, very vibrant. Then this is the second part to the kit as well. So there's 2 sheets per kit. Here's another set. Here's the first page, super pretty. I love like the pastel colors. And then this one goes hand in hand with that. Then we have this design here, so cute. I love how she has like the binge and plan, me time. So cute. And this one also goes with that. So I'm definitely seeing a theme with all of the butterflies, super pretty. Then here's another one. I love the colors to this one too. And then here's the second page. Then we have this sheet here, again, for Hobonichi Weeks. It does tell you what it's for, so it says Hobonichi Weeks here, and then on the bottom it says watercolor dividers. So that's cool. Sorry, I didn't even mention the names of these sets here. So this one is called Garden Colors. I'll go back and show you or tell you guys. This one is called Sunny Day Colors. This one is called Soothing Colors. And this set is called True Colors. Next we have this sheet here, which is super pretty. I love the color scheme to this, but I believe these are for the monthly and the Hobonichi weeks. So let's see here, I have it, or my weeks here. But I believe it's supposed to fit, let's see, looks like it fits here. Or you could even put it along this side if there's like space here, or even on the bottom if you wanted to. And I see this looks like this box here can fit on the bottom here as well. And then the weeks could actually fit on top. That's so cool. Okay, yeah, this is definitely for the weeks because obviously there's one through, I mean, not the weeks, the monthly, because there's 1 through 31, so you could use that there. And then there's also holidays as well. This is, I believe, for the month of May. So pretty. That's so cool. So she thinks of everything, I swear. So that's the first one for the monthly section. And then there's also this one, which actually goes with the, looks like it goes with the True Colors set. Then we have this sheet here, which is super cute. I love the bows. Like little, it looks like little sticky notes, but it's called Paperclip Post-it. Super adorable. Love, love, love that. And we have this sheet here, which is super pretty. Kind of has like that diamond effect to it, which I think is pretty cool. Then we have this sheet here, and I believe this looks like it goes with, let me grab my Hobonichi really quick. Looks like it goes with this page right here. So you can cover up the months or like the years right here. You have 2019, 18, and 20, and then you can cover up like whatever month you're in. Or obviously 2019, you'd cover up this part right here. That is so cool. I've always wondered how to make these, but oh man, that's pretty cool. And then there's also this section here if you want to cover up this part on the bottom. And then there's extra like washi inspired stickers you can use. And I wonder if you can use this too. Oh, there you can. Oh my gosh. So you could definitely use the side stickers as well. So awesome. Okay, so that is the last of the sticker sheets. She also included some of her bookmarks as well. So there's this one, and I believe I remember her name. I think it was like Ellie or Elle or something like that, but it's super cute. It's an elephant sitting on top of ice cream. Then we have sweet cakes, which is so cute. We have one that has sweet cakes on it, and this one pretty much matches the Soothing Colors kit. Then we have the last one, which is the See No, Hear No, and Speak No Evil, which I love that concept. Super cute. Oh, and there's also the back to that. So adorable. Her emojis are super cute. So that is all of the goodies that she sent over. Super, super cute and colorful and fun. Thank you so, so much, Bonnie, for sending these over. I will definitely use them in my pocket bullet journal because I know I could use these in there. So if you guys are interested, definitely check out her Etsy shop. Again, she is offering 15% off to you guys, which is super sweet of her. And also, don't forget to follow her on Instagram and subscribe to her on YouTube. She does YouTube videos as well. She does plan with me's and also does videos on her new kits. And she, one thing that is one of my favorites is she was doing a series on organization and destashing, which was pretty cool. So check her out over there. Again, thank you so, so much, Bonnie. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.